I've been wanting to get too. Check this out, kid, folks. The Ronin.
Oh yeah.
For my Taurus too. But I want to give me another Taurus, but then I saw that Ronin, I'm like, damn, that'll go ahead and turn that money into like you know talking about a little scorpion. You know what I'm saying? That'd be like a little scorpion then, cause I got a drone.
The scorpion is very similar to me. It's very similar to the pyramids. So you're gonna do if you're gonna do the pyramids. You already got the pyramids. The scorpion is just like it. So I mean that's me.
Yeah, I see what you're saying. Yeah, man, I was saying that I saw that like, ooh, that little conversion kit is nice. Cause I got a little spot where you put the light on in the front, you put your drum in the front. Ooh.
That conversion kit.
Mm-hmm.
They send you the bar and the kit. When you change and they give you 2 clicks, so you can change out to AR style, whatever you got, it's in 22.
Yeah, see, that's what I was thinking about too. Yep. I was looking at that too for your AR. I was like, damn, I could get that conversion kit. And I ain't gotta buy a whole nother 22 for it. But I do want that TX chain too. That one nice. I've been looking at that one nice too. That TX. Oh yeah, you did. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Cause I already got that. Yeah, cause I already got that. Oh, you already know that. So shit, I just bought the inside kit. You know, I got the AR pistol and I got the AR rifle. Oh yeah. I see what you're saying. Yeah, and just check it out with the tactical kit. Yeah, I think you did. That's what you got on yours. Yep, I saw that. Yeah, you already know that's the first one I used to shop at, Chicken and Dirt. That was the first place I used to shop at. So then I started, to my doing just typing it in, and then bam, they show you more different shit instead of just, you know what I'm saying, just going straight to Chicken and Dirt. Cause sometimes they be overpriced in the mall sometimes. You ain't lying, man. I thought I was tripping. I was like, man, then I just type it in itself, and bam, it be cheaper as hell. I was like, okay, that's what I need to start doing. Oh, yeah, now I like grab a gun. Yeah, grab a gun good.
Hey, you see they got that chance for 22-16 shot. You get 3 trips with it for $199.
What? Then that's tight.
Yeah, you get 3 trips and it's 16 shots in each trip.
Whoa.
For $199. You the person that got my brand went up too.
What? Yeah, man, you got to think about it, man. Say something that you got, these pack guns and all this shit that you can store away. Say that shit going up, I'm starting to see. All these old, man, I'm telling you, compact shit, man, say, they ain't playing, when it ain't on sale, hide it, yeah, you know what I'm saying?
I mean, if you're going to do that, if you don't get your compact gun, you just tell me it's going to cost,
Hit the, yeah. You did. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's why when I saw that badass Springfield, what's that, the SDM? Oh man, man, I had to jump on that, man. 20 round. I mean, down to 19 to a clip.
You got that Springfield, don't you?
Yeah, I got the 45, like the compact one. But then I just got this one. That's the big. That's like a full size. I think that's like a 5.24. Equal. They got another one equal out. Oh, I saw the Hellcat, but it's still like a compact. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, that's like my the 45 Model 2 I got. The one that I'll be shooting to see. I wanted, some mid size, so that one I got that big boy. Saw that 19 to a clip. Oh man, that changed my life on that one. Man, one in the head, that's 20. Shit. Yeah. Nah, see, that's why I work my caliber. I get to the biggest caliber I can shoot, and that was the 45 long coat and a pistol, so I know if I can handle that motherfucker, I can handle any guy other type of thing. Shit, you know what I'm saying? That diligent, you already know that's a goddamn, that's a rocket cannon. If I can hold that sucker, oh, believe me, I can hold a judge. You did. People